Mga kabayan, so ngayon nandito kami sa Lolo's Kitchen at syempre officially open na ang rooftop, right, with Muhammad. Okay, this is Muhammad, this is our friend Muhammad, mashallah.
Yes, yes.
So we will try again the Lolo's Kitchen.
Yes.
And also now the deck is open, so I will introduce you the food. Ito po yung mga offer dito. So itong goto, and then nandito po yung mga side dish nila. Ito yung side dish. So may chicken, may tokwa, may siomai, and meron din silang crispy pork, and also lomi. Yun, ito yung lomi nila, and then ito yung kaparis ng lomi, yung side dish. So yun, mayroon din tokwa, chicken, siomai, yun, saka Shanghai. At saka may Shanghai din pala to, kaparis to nito. At meron din siyempre ang hindi mawawalang pares-pares. Ito, ang pares-pares, may kasama na siyang rice, saka itong sausawan at lemon, of course. At syempre, hindi rin mawawala ang beef mami. So yun, hindi rin mawawala ang beef mami. And of course, your favorite, Muhammad.
Yes.
Chicken inasal.
Chicken inasal.
Chicken inasal.
Chicken inasal. Yan ang hindi mawawala sa Lolo's Kitchen. Yun. So, and of course, ang barbecue. Yan. Ano pang inaantay nyo? Magpunta na kayo dito sa Lolo's Kitchen, sa deck, and matikman nyo ang lahat ng putahe dito. So yun, thank you so much sa Lolo's Kitchen, and of course Muhammad. So Muhammad, say something.
Thank you, Lolo's Kitchen, for the delicious food in front of us. It looks beautiful, and I'm sure the taste will be super.
Yes. So we'll start to eat. Of course, Muhammad, you will be full again.
Yeah.
So yun, simulan natin ang pagkain dito sa Lolo's Kitchen. At ito natin ang goto with side dish. Yun. At syempre, lomi. Ang lomi na may kasamang side dish. Ulitin ko lomi na may kasamang side dish. Yan ang kasama niya. Yan. At ang goto naman nakasama nitong side dish. Yun. At ang beef mami. Yun. Solo order. And ang pares. Yun. Yun, may kasama ng rice. Ayun. So yun, sisimulan namin ang pagkain dito sa Lolo's Kitchen. At manood lang po kayo. Magpunta kayo dito sa Lolo's Kitchen at tikman nyo ang mga pagkain dito. So yun, let's go. Fried chicken. Bang. Kain tayo, kain na.
Dalawa na kayo?
Si Michael, oh. Tuloy ka muna sa ating camera. Oh. Michael. ang ating chef, Chef Michael. Ayun. Natikim na naman tayo ng kanyang luto.
Mga idol, yung ano, Pares na
Salamat.
isang kawali.
Yo. Pares na lechon kawali. Ano ba? Yan o. Pares na lechon kawali. Sarap ito. So, taste this one. Tayo ng barbecue. Fried chicken? Fried chicken? Nasa? Napakarami ito. They have a lot of food that you can choose here in Lola's Kitchen.
Yes.
Mahina to.
Chicken cooked very well, and spices on it. It's very tasty. I like the way the chicken being cooked.
And also the barbecue, pork barbecue. Sarap.
Masarap.
Masarap, no? They have a lot of side dish. So they have spring roll, tokwa, and fried chicken, and they have also fried siomai and egg also, together with the goto. This is the side dish. It's like for family,
Yes.
right?
Now the weather is nice.
Yes.
You can sit up here.
That's the time to open this tip.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can enjoy the nice weather and nice food.
Yes. Fried rice also is very tasty. And we'll try also fried chicken.
fried rice with garlic.
Yung ingredients, sir?
Yeah.
Long time I did not go, right? So my stomach is getting big. Then I start biking last week to become my stomach small. But now, how can I how can I diet? So thank you so much Lolo's Kitchen for giving a nice food.
Yes.
Yes.
Keep yourself healthy.
Yes. Enjoy. Sa lahat ng mga may katanungan, ito lang po ang number na pwedeng tawagan sa Lolo's Kitchen. Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Tawag na. Yun at we enjoy the food and thank you so much sa Lolo's Kitchen and Muhammad also. So just say thank you to Lolo's Kitchen.
شكرا إلى لولوس كيتشن مطبخ لولوس. وجبة لذيذة، وجبات مختلفة تقدروا تحصلونها في لولوس كيتشن. Welcome here in Lolo's Kitchen and you can have different kinds of food, delicious food here. You can have some halal food also here,
Yes.
so you are welcome.
And thank you of course to all of staff here in Lolo's Kitchen for take care of us. Kaalaga sila sa mga customer. So yun, maraming salamat sa lahat ng staff ng Lolo's Kitchen. And of course, Sir Rene,
Sir Rene,
thank you so much.
thank you.
Sir. So again, open na ang Lolo's Kitchen rooftop deck. So yun, masarap lang kumain dito at it's very nice weather now. So you can enjoy here and rooftop. You can take also coffee, yeah,
Yes.
and a lot of food. So yun, thank you so much and yun. So see you next time and of course again, thank you so much to all the staff of Lolo's Kitchen. And sir, ano pangalan mo, sir? Sir, pangalan mo, sir? Ano pangalan mo?
Bon.
Bon? At syempre, salamat din pala kay Sir Bon sa pag-assist sa amin dito sa Lolo's Kitchen. Sir Bon. Yan. Yes, Sir Bon. Sir, dito ka. Ito si Sir Bon. So yun, maraming salamat Sir Bon sa pag-assist sa amin dito sa pag-set up ng table. Thank you so much, sir. So yan, thank you sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa ating YouTube and TikTok. So, and also Muhammad.
شكرا JB، نشكر JB
Yup.
على تقديم الأداء الجيد للمحور، الأكل الممتاز. Thank you again JB.
You're welcome.
See you in the next video.
Yes, sure. So next video we will do some ride also with Muhammad, inshallah.
Yes.
So always keep safe and always ride safe, mga kasiklista, mga kabayan, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you.